Investing your first $1,000 in the USA can feel exciting but also risky. I learned the hard way that small mistakes can cost big. Today, I'm sharing the investing secrets I wish I knew before making that first move. Don't chase hype. I thought trending stocks or crypto would make me rich overnight. In reality, hype fades fast. Instead, look for strong US companies or index funds that have proven long-term growth. Diversify. Even with $1,000, I put too much into one stock, and when it dropped, so did my confidence. ETFs or index funds give you instant diversification and reduce risk. Watch out for fees. In the USA, brokerage commissions and fund expense ratios can eat away at your returns. Choose low-cost platforms and funds to keep more of your money working for you. And finally, patience pays. I expected quick wins, but real wealth grows slowly. Treat your first $1,000 as a learning experience, stay consistent, and let time compound your gains. That's the real secret to financial freedom. Bonus tip for students. In the USA, many beginners start investing while juggling student loans or saving for a first home. That's why choosing low-cost index funds can be a smarter move. It keeps your money growing while you tackle those other goals.